Okay, good afternoon. It's, what is today? Tuesday, March 8th. I haven't traded in a while. It is 3:34 p.m. I think we're looking here at CYRN. This thing kind of slipped under my radar a little bit. We got it a long time ago, and I missed this push, in the afternoon here. But I mean, if we go to a further, wider chart, you'll notice there was like an overall trend here of, I know it doesn't look great, maybe that's why it totally fell off my radar. If you notice, we traded it here on February 25th. And there was really no other pops other than this one pop here, which was only, you know what I mean? It fell underneath my radar. It was only 10%. This one was like, I checked, it was like 8% or something, or 13% or something. And you look at the daily candles, and lo and behold, you have this pretty decent looking pattern here, right? Like, which doesn't look like it when you look at it in the closer up time frame. See how it's deceiving, right? So anyway, so it runs up today. It's a 5-minute chart, right? So it runs up today. The break would have been probably in here. Would have been really nice to get it at 740s, give or take, right? Let's take another look at it now from here. 740s. Where's 740s? Right, exactly, right here. So we're going to take the 740 break, which seems plausible. And then it breaks out of this area and pushes through, and then it kind of takes support on it, and then it carries on like a whatever. Okay, so now we're on a 1-minute chart. Now what I saw was this. All I wanted to do was kind of, like, let me get on top of that one there. Zoom it over, right? And I was thinking if we took it from there up, you'd get a pretty decent trade. You might even get like a little bit more than you'd expect, right? Or it could, maybe even revolve into an overnight swing trade hold, but I wouldn't want to do that. But 10% there would have been pretty decent, right? So then we go to our macro approach, and this is our order, right? We had it at 224. We could still take it here. But if you look closely, I'm going to shut that for a second. If you look closely, I'll draw it with the marker. You can't see it almost anywhere else. But if you look, we have look at head, and then look at, and that's right kind of where we were looking at it to think about breaking the 224, right? So if you look there, that's the head and shoulders pattern. And how does that head and shoulders pattern play out? Typically, the head and shoulders, right? The head and shoulders pattern typically plays out to the downside. So, it doesn't look like it's going to come back. Dang it, I thought we were going to get a trade. And it looks like we're going to go into the after hours here with no trade on the CYRN. I guess with that, I know it's hard. We do it in real time every time. But I mean, we're going to have to say like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. That's how you get your high fives. Man, it's been tough out here. Anyway, until the next bounce, everyone.